What's up again, YouTube? How are you guys doing today? Today I'm going to show you how to make a seared salmon, or how to sear salmon. It's very simple. Just need a little kosher salt. Just a little bit. A little pepper. You want to do that for both sides, especially the skin side. No pepper. Let that sit right there. And next, you want to make sure you got your grease hot. Well, not your grease, but actually your pan. Get it nice and real hot. A few drops of olive oil. Just want to get that real nice and hot. Get it real nice and hot to where your oil starts running around almost as if it's water. Get it real nice and hot. Now when you add your fish, you want to put it skin side down first. And you want to let that go on for after about 3 minutes. You want to give it a flip and do the other side. You can pair it with anything you like: baked potato, rice, white rice or brown rice. Put you some vegetables with it. I prefer asparagus or green beans. Some people like broccoli, but whatever you like. Mix and match, whatever. Just take a shot at however you want to eat your vegetables and your carbs, but that's your meat right there.